Start by soaking the dates in hot water. Leave them to soak for at least 10 minutes. Add 4 cups of almond milk to a blender, followed by the cinnamon, ginger, cardamom, and clove. Then add the dates. Dates are the perfect natural sweetener. There are 2 ways to serve this cocktail, hot and cold. We'll show you how to make both. Let's start with option 1, cold. Measure out 1 cup of the mixture, then pour it into a cocktail shaker. The original recipe calls for bourbon, but we are on a budget, so we use Jack Daniel's Tennessee whiskey instead. We added just over an ounce of alcohol to the shaker. Add lots of ice. Shake well to be sure everything is mixed. Dip the glasses in almond milk, then in a mixture of cinnamon and sugar. If you're enjoying this video, please show us your appreciation by giving us a like and subscribing to our channel. It will help us continue making videos like this one. Garnish with a cinnamon stick. For the second option, pour the mixture into a pot and place on the stove on medium. When the mixture is hot, add 4 ounces of alcohol and remove from the stove. You can add more if you like. Be sure not to let the mixture boil. Pour into your most festive glasses or mugs and top with foam. We hope you enjoy your delicious holiday cocktail. Cheers!